Camp Nou is firing on all fronts today. The compression ring is gaining another section, a seventh pillar is being lifted, the third-tier seating is closing out its final rows, and the new museum interior is further along than anyone expected. There is a lot to get through. Let's go! Starting with the compression ring. 9 sections are already in place on the lateral stand, and a 10th was being prepped for lift during this visit. The tower crane had the slings attached and everything looked ready to go. It held for today, but the preparation work is done and the lift is imminent. Alongside the ring progress, a brand new 7th pillar was lifted toward the north goal end. A surprise move that nobody saw coming. No support brackets were attached before the lift, which made this one different from everything we have seen before. Workers were carefully positioning and rotating the piece into place as the visit wrapped up. Before we move on, please like the video and subscribe for more updates. The third-tier seating installation is down to its absolute final rows. The club webcam confirmed that workers were placing what could be the last prefab seating unit during this visit. This entire section is expected to be fully complete within the next day. Months of work on the third-tier seating is almost done. Concrete work is also active on the second cantilever level, with a concrete pump on site. The parking ramp in front of the Mazia continues to take shape. Layer by layer, the ground is being compacted and leveled, with machinery working steadily across the zone. The gap between the current ground level and the parking exit level is closing quickly. This area is almost fully filled in. Inside the VIP ring, the interior fit-out is well underway. Galvanized steel profile framing is now covering large sections of the lateral zone across both levels. Rock wool insulation panels are being fitted and the plasterboard installation will follow. This zone is advancing steadily toward its finished state. Down at the new museum level, the interior is more advanced than expected. Several large gallery rooms are now fully painted with flooring, protected and electrical cable trays running across the ceilings throughout. At the north goal corner, the ceramic slats on the lower section remain in place and anchor installation is continuing steadily. This zone is edging closer to receiving its next wave of slats very soon. Over at the Tribuna, the development is shifting toward interior progress. The VIP ring is becoming more defined, with framing structures, insulation, and partition systems now clearly visible across both levels. This is where the stadium begins to feel functional, not just structural. Spaces that will soon host premium experiences are already taking shape. That is Camp Nou today. If you enjoyed it, drop a like and subscribe to Megaverse Builds so you never miss a moment of this journey. This stadium is becoming something truly special, and we are here for every single step of it. See you in the next one.